What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So many people are making a big scene around Pepe and meme coins and are really excited about anything that comes along Pepe related. And we've seen a lot of things after Pepe launched and it got to about 1.8 or 1.6 billion dollars. You saw others that came along, right? Pepe the Frog as a position. You saw green Pepe, yellow Pepe, purple Pepe, right? I'm just making up things at this point, but you saw a bunch of things that came on that were new and trying to make a meme of the meme to build upon that, right? To see more people that are investing in more money, millions upon billions of dollars that are going into these plays that really are nothing and have no type of use case, probably won't have a use case ever, but definitely are seeing areas to where people can make some gains. But while you have people that are making gains, you also have people that are losing. If you have winners, you have losers. That's how the market really works. But all these things that are coming up, it's looking like, it was meme coin season because we had a lot of meme coins that were making decent sized moves and people were making money from it. So I want to speak on that, but I also want to speak on the main point of the fact that Pepe 1, Pepe 2, and Pepe 3 may be destroying meme coin season for us all. So let's go ahead and talk about this and give you an understanding of where things are. Now, if you made money from these plays, don't think that I'm speaking negatively upon them. I think it's great for people to find a way to make money. And if you can realize the situation that you're in, get into it, and end up getting a large benefit out of it, then great for you. I'm really, really happy for you guys, honestly. I'm not going to say that you're a bad person for investing into these plays, because if you made money, you made money, and that's fantastic. Yes, somebody did lose money, but they may have made the wrong decision and they'll learn from that. But anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, when I first got introduced to Pepe, right? Pepe as like the original Pepe. It was at about a 90 to $100 million market cap. Sorry, I lied. It was at a $60 million market cap. Now, I looked at it for a little bit. I saw that it was increasing and I was waiting for a time where it was going to come back. It went up to a $150 million market cap, came back down to about a $100 million market cap before I made a video. Now, that was in a retracement point. And I feel like I may have made a mistake because I wanted to add into it as you were seeing a retracement. Anytime I invest into something, it's always retracing. I don't buy into it as it's skyrocketing. I won't do it on Pepe 2. I won't do it on Pepe 3. I won't do it on Pepe 12 or 552. I will not do it on any of those positions. But I missed my opportunity. It went from 100 million all the way up to 1.6 billion, and a lot of things were created. You saw a ton. Again, one example would be Pepe the Frog that was running a little bit for a small period of time. One that was Bob that was running for a little bit, and now you see Pepe. It's currently sitting at about a $611 million market cap with $157 million in volume. Fantastic. That's more than what you're seeing in like a Shiba Inu. That's more than what you're seeing in Terra Luna Classic and a lot of other plays. So it's definitely looking like, this meme is seeing a ton of traction, a ton of people that are investing into it because it is showing some life here. Well, not only are people starting to invest into this, they're trying to find the next best opportunity. And instead of just finding the next best opportunity, they're creating the same thing and recreating kind of what happened. And you have not only Pepe, but you also have Pepe 2 that's up to a $60 million market cap with $105 million worth of volume. This is early stages to where literally you go on the website and it talks about how if you missed Pepe 1, here's Pepe 2, here's your chance. So then people are excited about that. You see it get up to a higher market cap. And now you have Pepe 3 that's coming on, and that increased 800% today up to a $1.7 million market cap with 3.1 $1 million in volume. And this is all done on Uniswap. Now, Pepe 2 actually has some markets associated with it, with KuCoin, with MEXC, LBank. And it could be that Pepe 3 sees the same thing and you see a bunch of different markets that you're able to trade that on. And you have Pepe 1 that has the most markets where you have Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, just everything besides Coinbase. And so this is why I believe that these Pepes are kind of destroying meme coin season, destroying the market for, I guess, a lot of people. Pepe is a great meme coin. And I think when it was created, I think it will still be the only one that will flourish out of all of the ones that are created, whether you have Pepe 4 or Pepe 100. I think you'll still have the original one that sees majority of the volume, that sees majority of the movement, that sees the ability to get to a $2, $3, $4, $5 billion market cap. While you have strong meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, you also have Pepe that's there. However, it's going to make people think that, they can invest into so many other plays and get in early on a lot of these plays. And it's also going to call for some scams that come along. And then once that first scam comes along, that's a Pepe 5, and you see millions of dollars that are going into it and it becomes a complete rug pull. Well, then that's when you're like, all right, well, maybe we're done with trying to find these chances. But ultimately, if you're seeing a market that gets saturated by first come, first serve type of people rather than, hey, let's see what this can be. Let's wait for a bull market and then run with this as we see a bull market. Now, instead of people holding Pepe for a long time or holding Shiba Inu or holding Dogecoin for a long time, they're looking for that first come, first serve product, right? Where you can find an ability to get in Pepe 3 that again is up 960% in the day. And it's currently at a $1 million market cap. And yes, can 60x from here. You put $1,000 in it, you could see it up to a $60 million market cap, which would be amazing for most people. But the thing is that everybody's going to look for that next best opportunity. And where does it stop? Does it stop at a level of, okay, well, they're at 30 million. I'm going to stop investing into that because I feel as though, you may only double the position or you may only triple your position. Or is it something that's going to continue where you see a Pepe 4 and people are investing for it to blow up to $1 million or $2 million or $3 million or $5 million, which again would be great for those people that are making money, but ultimately it would be bad for the overall meme coin market. And I think, again, I don't want to sit here and tell people that, you investing into a play is not the right thing, because if you invest into something that's part of your strategy, but I want people to be careful. I don't want anyone to get stuck and, just say, you know what, I see this play, and if I put $10,000 in here and it does 10x, then I can make $100,000 easily. Again, which is true, and it would be great, but I just don't want people to risk too much, more than they could chew. And then, I feel like you lose everything. So just be careful. If you are going to invest into these plays, really be careful, because they're here. But the ultimate goal for a lot of these meme plays that are very, very popular is to see it go through the bull run, not just to see the short-lived action, but to see it go through the bull run. So I'll tell you this. If you're going to invest into these plays, it has to be short term. Long term is not going to be a thing. I'm not saying that it won't live. I'm just saying short term will be your best bet in capturing your initial investment plus some profit. And maybe you can let some live long term if you believe that it's going to be long term. But the point is, protect your investment, protect your profits, and then go on about your day. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Pepe 1, 2, and 3 and where things are going. It's phenomenal to see them moving and to see more money that's flowing into coins that are literally just here to see people make money. But it's also very scary, to see a lot of people that are just feeding into too much of the hype and telling me that they're going to double and triple down and add more and more money into it because they feel like they're missing out on the opportunity. That's not to say that I wouldn't put money into a play, because I could put money into this play and see it, 10x, and maybe it's worth a test. But the point is that you want to be careful. And if you are going to invest into this play, please, please make sure that you are protecting your investment, and please make sure that you are not investing more than you are willing to lose. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.